Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. We're in Florida right now, and in the event that you're moving to Florida or you're driving through Florida on a regular basis and you're hitting all those SunPass toll roads, trust me, it is much cheaper to purchase an actual SunPass, whether it is a mobile or a mini. And we are going to show you the difference between the two, as well as where exactly it needs to be placed on your windshield. Let's take a look. Alright YouTubers, at the SunPass now, and right when you cross over the Florida state line on I-75 and other major highways, you have the first exit, which is basically your welcome center into Florida, and that is where you can purchase the SunPass. Now you have two options. Number one is what we chose, the SunPass Mini, as you can see here. This is designated to one vehicle and one vehicle only. The second option is a SunPass Portable, which is right here, and the cool benefits of this is it can be used in several vehicles. So for example, one day you drive to work, you drive your truck, and the following day you drive your car. You can take the SunPass out of the truck, put it in the car, and that is a really cool benefit of the portable. Now it's as easy as buy, activate, and drive. And let's talk more about the two options. On the left side, SunPass Portable sticks to inside windshield with suction cups, can be moved from car to car, which I just mentioned, works on motorcycles, that's cool, and SunPass Plus parking. Now the SunPass Mini must be permanently adhered to the inside of window, basically a sticker type. Will not work if removed from windshield. So unlike the portable, you cannot take this out. Not for motorcycles. Well, the portable works for motorcycles. The SunPass Mini does not. However, SunPass Plus parking as well. Now as far as price, there is a small price difference. The SunPass Mini is only $5, and the portable SunPass is upwards of $20 to $25, and that is a one-time initial startup fee. At this point, we now know the differences between the SunPass Mini and the portable, and the benefits that the portable has on top of the SunPass Mini. However, the Mini is more affordable. So we've already bought it. That is completing step one. Second step is activate it. We got a couple different options. Visit sunpass.com, or we can call 888-toll-FLA. And here is the times that you can call and set that up. Now the SunPass transponder has no funds and will not work until you put a minimum of $10 on your account with a credit card or debit card. And you have the option of adding funds with cash at over 5,000 retail locations, and there is the website for that. So what we're going to do is we are going to call this number, and we are within that time frame and days, and we are going to set this up. Alright YouTubers, back with you, and I did both at the same time. On my phone I called the phone number, and at the same time I had the phone dialing, and on hold I visited sunpass.com, and sunpass.com I was able to cruise through that activation process far quicker than calling the phone number. So I recommend visiting sunpass.com, and a few things you're going to need during the activation process is your plate number for your vehicle and some form of payment, whether you want it tied to your bank account or a credit card, and then you're just going to pick the amount you want put on the actual SunPass, and you'll also add a security question for security purposes. So at this point, that was very friendly. Visiting sunpass.com, was able to quickly add this. And just a quick tip, this bottom number here, that is your SunPass transponder number. So this is the back side of where this actual SunPass was. And if you're interested in all the additional SunPass Mini features, here is several additional helpful tips there. From here, we're going to go out to the vehicle, and one thing very important, SunPass will not work unless stuck to windshield interior. So this is just a sticker. Let's go put it on. Outside of the vehicle, we're putting it on our Chrysler Pacifica, and let's go ahead and hop inside. And this is a very important step, the specific location of the actual SunPass sticker. You have your rear view mirror. It has to go up on the left side of the mirror or the right side of the mirror. For the driver of the vehicle, I think it's going to be more beneficial on this side, because most of the time the driver's seat gets way more use than the actual passenger seat, so it's one less thing that is going to be distracting in the corner of your actual view while driving. So I'm going to position it right there, and what I want to show you real quick is once you stick it on, the little sensor is right inside. You can actually see it bubbled right here. So this little corner here, we are going to peel it off, and I'll need both hands to carefully align it properly and secure it to the window. All right, I've spent about 25 seconds and properly aligned the sticker and pressed it in place carefully, not creating any additional air bubbles. And I think that is a really good location on the right side of the rear view mirror. Again, it does not distract or obstruct the driver's seat portion of the window, and it's way up there in a convenient location there. What we'll do now is we'll step out of the vehicle and just kind of give a view on what it looks like, and you can't really see it, which is kind of cool. It kind of blends in with the rear view mirror, and I think that's a really good location there. So let's get back in, and from here all we are going to do is drive in the SunPass lane for convenience, and we won't have to slow down or pull out our wallets every time we go through the tolls. So with that said, let's go back to the pamphlet and talk about a few additional features. Back inside at the pamphlet, again, the differences between the portable and mini. And here is a better picture, saves time and money. So for example, if you just keep paying every time you go through the tolls, it's going to cost you more. If you buy the SunPass, whether it's mini or portable, you are saving money every single time you go through the tolls. And again, with the portable, can be moved from card to card. 2-year warranty, no, not on the mini. Yes on the portable. Airport parking and select airports, yes and yes. Requires permanent installation, yes. No for the portable, obviously. And can be used with motorcycles, nope, not for the mini. However, yes for the portable, so that's kind of cool. And an additional thing I want to talk about is rental cars. Unlike the SunPass Mini, portable can be used for rental cars. So if you're renting a vehicle in the Florida area several times throughout the month or a year, you can actually take the portable SunPass and insert it into a rental car. There is additional information that you have to visit sunpass.com to insert the rental car information to your account. So that's a cool benefit and feature of the portable. From here, what I want to do is open up the actual chart here. And as you can see, red is SunPass only, cash not accepted. Purple is SunPass and cash accepted, and green is cash only. There's not many green areas. The green is just here, and one more right here. However, as you can see, Alligator Alley and some main highways, 95, 4, 75, coming into Orlando, and the additional 589 toll right here for Suncoast Parkway, which then feeds into the Tampa area, which is red, SunPass only. So there is a better pictorial version or image of the SunPass boundaries and highways. That's it, YouTubers. Hope the video helped. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Thanks again for watching.